Sekuzinyanga ezihlanu ihlangano lezokurhatjha eSABC inganayo ibhodi. Nanyana ikomidi epalamende ithi yakwenza konke ekufanele bona ikwenze ukuhlunga abantu beyathumela umengameli amabizo abantu abaphumeleleko. Umengameli uthi konke yakubona kodwa urarwa kungezelelwa kwebhodi ngamalungu amathathu erhelweni alitholileko.
The chair also clarified that the issue of 12 applied to the appointing authority, not to Parliament. There's no restriction in terms of how many candidates Parliament should present to the executive.
Encwadini kamengameli Ramaphosa ufuna bona iParliament imhlathululele ngokunabileko bona kungebangalani athunyelwe amagama wabantu alitjhumi nahlanu. Ngombana yena bekalindele amagama wabantu alitjhumi nambili kwaphela abazokuvala isikhala seBhodi ye-SABC. Umengameli ufuna bona ikomidi yezokuthintana iqalisise kuhle indaba le. Encwadini kamengameli usihlalo wekomidi uvumile bona amagama angezelelwe kwamathathu angasatjhejwa. Indaba le ivele kuthi nemhlanganeni wamahlelo wekomidi epalamende njengomana amalungu epalamende afuna ihlathululo ngendaba le.
In order for us to hold the executive to account, we need to know exactly what is their problem with regards to the board and what did we supply to them.
The one issue which was raised in the letter of the president is, one, the status of the people who were being nominated, whether in fact vetting had been conducted. And of course, we responded to indicate, yes, the people were vetted. However, and then of course, there was the issue of the extra 3 people.
Dabana senjalo. Ezinye inhlangano ezijamele kudosela umengameli ekhotho yezomthethosisekelo ngokuriya ukhetha ibhodi ye-SABC. Bekuthi nengikhulu ze-SABC zajikiswa kabili iskopa nazilinga ukuhlathululela iParliament ngezinye zezinto ze-SABC. Umraro kwaba ukuthi ziyeParliament nje azinayo ibhodi. Kwatsho bonyana ziyaqothwa.